Hi everyone, welcome to our Derme&Co January 2021 video. My name is Tracy Italiano. It's a pleasure to be with you today. And today we're going to be giving you a nice overview on what to expect for the month of January and all of the wonderful promotions and advanced education we have planned for you for the beginning of the new year. So for the month of January, with of course the winter months that have settled in, we're going to be focusing all this month on dry skin solutions. So whether it be our water-based serums for dehydrated skin and also all the way through to our wonderfully nourishing oils, Nelly Diverse and Physioderme, as well as Druid, have something for everyone. So we know that dry skins can actually have very specific needs. We know that there is a difference between a dehydrated skin, which is lacking water, and an allopitic skin, which is lacking oil. Now, dehydrated skins can happen just due to the environment as well as our lifestyle and genetic factors, where allopitic skins, again, we're going to see more lifestyle factors as well as hormone fluctuations that can very much impact the natural secretions of oils on the skin. Why is this important? Because our oils and the natural secretions of sebum as well as sweat do combine to create the hydrolipidic barrier of the skin. The hydrolipidic barrier is essential to maintain moisture for comfortable skin and long-lasting hydration. So when it comes to treating dry skin conditions, first recommendation is to take a look at the cleanser that they're using. Quite often, harsh surfactants as well as detergents can disrupt this natural lipidic balance very easily. So from there, choosing an adapted cleanser, whether it be a cleansing milk or a cleansing gel, will be better suited for those drier skin conditions. And of course, keeping our hydrolipidic barrier intact will also ensure that our skin's microbiome is as healthy and happy as possible. So for the month of January, please stay tuned for all of our specific videos on our Nelly Diverse page, as well as Method Physioderme, for a really nice in-depth overview of the different oils and serums that are available to really customize that level of richness that we need during the winter months. So from there, in the month of January, we have some wonderful promotions going on. So for Nelly Diverse, we have our 2 Winter Wonderland kits. The Winter Wonderland kits are, one is available from Bioscience with the cellular matrix products, and the second is available in our Biotense line, of course, within our organic collections. From there, with this promotion, when your clients are purchasing, and when you're purchasing the cleansing milk as well as the moisturizing cream, specifically cellular matrix or Biotense, you'll be receiving the oils complimentary. So this promotion is available for both retail as well as for the back bar sizes. So it's a wonderful way to incorporate oils into our daily skincare routine, but as well as incorporating these wonderful oils into any of your facial services as well. So from there, in Physioderme, we have all of our skincare sets that are on sale for 15% off. That includes the Actonil and all of the Chrono Lightning products, and also the travel kits. So that's on promotion for the month of January, sorry. And also from Druid, we have our wonderful goat milk collection that is all on sale for the month of January. That offers goat milk based products that are very, very rich in vitamins and minerals, and also prebiotics for the skin. This particular collection can really offer us a wide variety of products that will work from head to toe to really treat dry, sensitive skins in a much more restorative way. So the Druid collection is a wonderful line of certified organic skincare at a very affordable price point, and something, if you haven't discovered already, there are some very, very wonderful formulas that are very affordably priced for everyone within Druid. So from there, for January, also, we're going to be launching a brand new video series with our trainer, Michael Ibbett, who will be presenting a wide variety of topics in webinar formats. So if you aren't subscribed to our YouTube page, please do that today and subscribe, hit the like button, and you'll be receiving those wonderful educational videos directly into your subscription list as soon as they are released. So we'll be having a series of webinars that will really be going into much more in-depth the different skin pathologies as well as treatments available at Derme&Co. So from there, we hope that you've started off your new year healthy and happy, and we wish you nothing but the best for 2021. We look forward to seeing you in our future videos, and if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to give us a call at Derm, and we'll be happy to help you towards the best treatments and products for you and your clients. Have a great day, everyone, and thanks so much for staying tuned. We'll look forward to seeing you in our next video. Have a wonderful day, everyone. Take care.